Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to remove keyboard language in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. And then go to additional settings. And here select it. Keyboard and input method. And click on manage keyboards. And click on Gboard. And click on languages, and here you can see all the languages that you have added already. Okay, if you would like to delete some of the language from here, yes, you can do it. So what you have to do is just click on this edit symbol and select the languages that you would like to remove. Here I would like to remove Tamil, Malayalam and Konkani, and just click on this delete button, and selected languages will be removed from your phone. In this way, you can easily remove keyboard languages in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.